In this video, I'm going to show you how to change AI bot language in Dola AI. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is start a chat with a bot. So go to the bottom of your app, and of course, you want to tap on bots. And from here, you can start a chat with a bot. So you could just tap on the plus button next to them, and they're going to be added to your chats at the bottom left. So I'm going to tap on chats, and I'm going to go into this one, which is called Study Tutor, okay? I'm going to tap on it, and right now, by default, it's English. If you want to change this, up top, you want to tap on the name of your bot. So for me, it's Study Tutor. I'm going to simply tap on it. And then from here, you can see it has voice and language. So we can go ahead and change the bot language by tapping on language and selecting a different language. So for example, if I go ahead and select for example, German, I'm going to tap on German over here. And now it's going to start loading. And if I go back, you'll see that, there we go. If I now go back again, this is now going to be, of course, in German. Okay, of course, you can change this to whatever you want. And now I can talk in German with the specific bot, okay? So I'm just going to type in something in German, for example, and we'll see if it's going to reply. There we go. As you can see, there we go. Okay, so essentially, that's how you change the AI bot language. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.